Hi everybody, my name is Marta. Welcome to Trial and Error, the channel where we try, fail and succeed in DIY projects. Today we're going to do the ultimate Halloween DIY, which is fake blood. This craft doesn't need a lot of equipment. It's basically what you find in your kitchen. So you'll need some powdered sugar and some cocoa powder, water and some red food dye. It's inexpensive, it doesn't take a lot of work and it doesn't take a lot of time either. But I got my skeleton t-shirt, kitchen ready, let's go!
Here are the ingredients you'll need, and as you can see there are only 4 of them. We have powdered sugar, water, cocoa powder and red food dye. I started with 1 part water and 2 parts powdered sugar, and as you can see the paste was too liquidy, and due to the fact that I did not sift the powdered sugar I got big chunks in there as well. In the second attempt I sifted the dry ingredients first. I added a little bit less water this time. I hope that it would help me with the consistency because it was too liquidy on the first attempt. So it looked much better, but then I added the cocoa powder, and the problem with this tactic is that I added too much dark color before I added the red, so the color ultimately was wrong. So as you can see we have a too dark red color, and when I tested it, it was just too brown. In the third attempt I found a bigger sift, so I didn't have to stand around and sift forever like I did with the smaller one. And I also did the same with the cocoa powder to prevent the chunks coming in here as well, because they can also really ruin the consistency I want. So then I have sifted cocoa powder, sifted powdered sugar, some water, and I put in small amounts with water, and then I put the red food dye so that I can get the red color that I want before I start adding the darker portion of the color. So when I was happy with the red color I added the cocoa powder little by little so I could control the color that I got. So when I started to get happy with the color I tested it on my arm to see how it was, and here it was a little bit too red, so I added some more powder. And the clue is to just keep doing this until you're happy with the color. So just add some red, add some brown, until you get the color you want. I was still not quite happy, so I wanted it a little darker, and this looks much better and much more like the dark color real blood is. So here are just some close-ups of the paste dripped on my arm, so you can see that the consistency is good and the color I think is very lifelike. And it is also a plus that the paste is non-toxic.
So there you have it, fake blood for Halloween. It's quick, easy and inexpensive. Also with some failures, of course. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. comment down below if you do have any tips to what I can do in further videos, and have a good one. Bye!